Hello YouTubers, beer geeks, and beer hounds alike. Bill here. We're going to do a beer review. This one is called Hazy by Nature, New School IPA. And this is brewed by Eel River Brewing Company, Incorporated, Scotia, California. Okay, it comes in at 6.7% alcohol by volume. And I've never had this before, never seen it before, nothing. A juicy haze India Pale Ale made with organic grains. Okay. Schooling you on Sabro, Mosaic, Citra, and Galaxy hops. Brewed with Hornenden quick yeast. Some crazy Russian sounding yeast. I don't know what that was, but anyways. This has 831.20. So basically 9. It's about a little over a month and a half old, so it should be just fine. I got this in a 4-pack at Total Wine & More for like 16 bucks out the door, and that's what the can looks like. Has a parental advisory on there for some reason. Consumer Advisory Hazy IPA. That's cool. So anyways, I've never had this before, never even seen it. So let's get a crack open and see what we got here. Pretty interesting looking can. All right, here we go. A little aggressive pour there. Okay. A monster head. I don't know why this is doing this. Okay, hang on. Maybe that's why. There we go. Okay. Gotta get things fine-tuned here. Okay, well, you know what? This is going to be a minute, so hang on 1 second. Okay, we're back. All right, so we have a big, frothy, creamy, frothy, creamy looking, silky head. Not so much foamy, it's tight looking. And we have a kind of a light orangey, looks like orange juice, hazy here, big time. Okay, looks really good so far. Oh yeah, that looks like a New England style. Mmm, yum. Can't wait to dig into this. Looks really good. Definitely looks like a New England style. Can't see any of the sharpness of the light at all. It's definitely New England action. All right. Nope. Nope. Unless I'm hallucinating, but maybe a little bit on the edge. I don't know. But can't see much through it, that's for sure. All right. Let's get an aroma on this puppy. Oops. Yeah, I'm getting like totally like citrusy tropical kind of fruits. Some overripe type fruits in there as well. Oh man, wow. Okay, definitely apricots, orange, pineapple, grapefruit. It's got a sweetness to it. Uh, very very fruity smelling, tropical. Um, Really good smelling. Yeah, lemon zest. And just like hoppy, I don't know, like green hop smell. Fresh green hop, like it's been just wet hopped. It smells delicious. Let's get a hit. Cheers. Mm. Wow. Like once again, um, there's so much hop complexity going on here. It's hard to pinpoint exactly which ones I'm tasting because it's such a medley of flavors and aromas. It's hard to pinpoint actually. Definitely like uh, fruitiness and like oranges and grapefruits, apricots, lemon zest. Um, hmm, Pretty damn dank. I don't know what the IBUs are. Um, it is 6.7%, so that's like right in there. Um, it's totally citrusy, like citrusy, fruity, New England style tasting, smelling, and it's got a medium mouthfeel. Really nice head retention, like cream, like whipped cream. And taste is like the aroma. I think the main ones are grapefruit and orange, lemon zest, and like fresh green hops. Little apricot action. It's got like a dankness to it though, like it's got a little bite to it. It's very, very good, very good. See, I'm not a brewer, so I don't know how they put these beers together. So I'm just like a regular drinker, like most people. And these beers can be really hard to describe sometime because what how they make them, and there's so much going on. It's like nothing. It's hard to describe or compare these types of beers with anything because like if you want to compare it to like fruit, it doesn't really like exactly taste like that, but it's similar. It kind of has that characteristic of it, whatever fruit it is, or anything like that you describe a beer like chocolate or coffee. Um, some I apparently some blend stuff with the beer, and some get all the flavors and aromas from just the hops and the malts. But I don't know if they're blending this or not, or if they're getting all these complexities from hops and malts. But however they're doing it, it's really good, and sometimes it is very hard to describe because of that. But you think you smell apricot, but there might not be anything near apricot in there, or they're just getting the hops to or whatever it is to smell and taste like apricot or whatever else you're describing. But all I can tell you is it's really good, and I can tell it's extremely well put together beer, and I like it. Um, there's no raw alcohol, no booziness, super well constructed beer with a medium mouthfeel, tropical, um, New England style, really awesome. Um, it's pretty dank. It's pretty much what I got on this puppy. So on a scale of 1 to 5 stars, I'm gonna give this. It's got a little bit of a tanginess, kind of bite to it that is. It's not bad, but it's not really like. It's not really great, but I would say it's more like a grapefruit peel or something bitey that's kind of not working totally with me, but the beer is really awesome. Just that one aspect. Because of that one aspect, I would have probably gave this like 5 stars. But that little tangy bitter, whatever peel type grapefruit or whatever note that I'm picking up in the back end, I'm gonna go ahead and give this a 4.6. It's super awesome, but that little kind of grapefruit peel note that's lingering on the back end is a little much, but this is a super awesome beer. Don't get me wrong. If you see this and you can get it fresh, definitely pick it up. Kind of a palate wrecker, but it's worth it. I wouldn't want to drink like this every day or a lot of them because it's pretty dank or whatever, tart, tangy, however you want to say it. Anyways, yeah, that's what I got on this puppy. That's my story. I'm gonna stick with that. I'm gonna give this double horns up, and I'll have this description of this in the bottom of the video in the description section. Please like and subscribe. I'd much appreciate that, and we'll check y'all later. See ya.